today let's start with chapter number 9, business model. In this chapter we will study about digital wallets, types of e-commerce model, advantages of e-commerce, then we have forms of e-commerce, franchise business and security concern. So let's start with the chapter that the way we purchase, sell and exchange product and services change significantly in today's fast-paced society. E-commerce has become an integral part of our daily life. In this chapter, the journey through the various facets of e-commerce, exploring different types of online businesses, right? And different models of e-commerce. They are the challenges and the opportunity. They are the opportunities also, and they all are challenges also. So we can say that throughout the chapter, we will explore the key players in digital commerce, such as online marketplaces, payment gateways, and we have different logistic services, which makes the online shopping experience possible. We also gain insights into our significance of online security and privacy in digital transaction. We can say that e-commerce means online business transaction. It is popular term for electronic commerce or even online commerce, refers to buying or selling of goods and services. In this, what we do, we buy different things and we sell them. So e-commerce involves buyer, seller and producer. Buyer are the people who purchase goods or services, and who are sellers, who offers goods and services to the buyer. And then producer are the people who create products and services. And what they do, that sellers offers to buy. Now shopping and the trading. In stock, what are these? These are the two types of popular e-commerce. Your online payment like through credit card, debit card, net banking for goods or services purchased online can participate in the e-commerce. So we can say there are thousands of websites devoted to online shopping that focuses on wide range of products and services. So the web is the great place to sell our goods and services. And what do e-commerce? E-commerce eliminates the barrier of time and distance that slow down traditional business transaction. So e-commerce transaction, it occurs quickly and globally and lot of time is saved. So we have online store like Amazon, Flipkart, Shopee, Myntra, Paytm, eBay, Quicker, Miso. What are these? These are the different e-commerce websites. What are these? Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Paytm Mall, your eBay, Meesho and Etsy. Now let's study about the digital wallets. What are digital wallets? Today modern consumers rely heavily on smart devices for shopping and also managing their daily activity. So consumers watch movies, they make payments and find their way, search for information and even arrange transport with a few taps on a screen. Then payment or digital wallets, they are the future of business. To make our country go digital, emphasis on adopting digital method of payment. Like we have cards, e-wallets, gone and days when the people used to carry cash to shop. What they do? They carry cash to shop, and now mobile wallets or virtual wallets, they have become quite popular. With this mobile wallets, you can pay just by using smart payment wallet, which is the best innovation. The best innovation in the field of technology. Next is let's learn about some payment wallet like we have Google Pay. It is developed by Google, was earlier known as Pay. Google Pay provides digital wallet services to make payments using our bank account, and we can pay our electricity bill, mobile bill, recharge, pay for your shopping using Google Pay. So we need to enter a person mobile which is linked to the bank or the scan QR code. Then we have BHIM, that is Bharat Interface for Money, which is introduced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi for Android and OIS. It allows users to send or receive money to or from the UPI payment address, and this was introduced with the motivate to enable India to make cashless payment. Next is Amazon Pay, introduced by Amazon. It enables us to do a bank transfer, pay bill, do online shopping. And we need to not to install a different application. We can pay using the Amazon Pay also. Then Jio Money, it is also a digital wallet and Jio payment bank owned by Reliance Industry. It is used for bill payment, recharge and money transfer. And Jio Money, it is a smartphone for Reliance industry which offers best class digital payments, and it gives you some cashback also. Then we have types of e-commerce models. We have classified into 4 main category. We have B2B, means business to business, B2C, business to consumer, C2B, consumer to business, and C2C, that is consumer to consumer. Now business to business. In business to business, companies conduct business with one another. The final consumer is not involved, so the online transaction only involves manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer. A company that manufactures vehicles uses internet and to purchase tires from this manufacturer. Next is business to consumer, that is B2C. The company sells its goods or services directly to the consumer and browse their website. Look at the products and pictures and read reviews, and then they place their order and company ship the goods directly to them. And popular examples are Amazon, Flipkart and Zebra. Then we have consumer to consumer, that is C2C. In this, when two consumers, they are directly in contact with each other and no company is involved in this scenario. It helps the people to sell their personal goods assets directly to the interested party. Usually goods are traded like cars, bikes, electronics, or like follow this model. Then we have consumer to business, means that is C2B. So the consumer provides goods or some services to the company, like we have IT freelancer who demands and sell his software to a company. This would be C2B transaction. Then what are the different advantages of e-commerce? Like it provides quick delivery of goods with very little efforts on the part of the customer. And what's customer? They address quickly and it saves time, energy as well as efforts, both of the consumer also and the company also. It substantially lower the transaction cost and it eliminates many of the fixed cost of maintaining brick and mortar shop. Then it provides sellers with global reach. They remove the barrier of a place. Now sellers and buyers can meet the virtual world without the hindrance of location. One other great advantage is convenience it offers. So a customer can shop 24/7. The website is functional at all the times. It does not have working hours like a shop. E-commerce also allows the customer and business to be in touch directly without any intermediary. This allows for quick communication and transaction. It gives valuable personal touch. Now what is forms of e-commerce? We have different forms. We have retail, the sale of product by business, which is directly to the customer and there is no need of any intermediary. Then we have wholesale, the sale of product in bulk, and it is often to retailer. We sell them directly to consumer. A skill or set of skill which is provided in exchange of compensation. So the service provider time can be purchased for a fee. Next is physical product. Any tangible goods that require inventory to be replenished and order to be physically shipped to the customer sale are made. Then we have digital product, downloadable digital goods, templates and courses or media that must be purchased for consumption or license or for use. Then we have drop shipping. It is the sale of product that is manufactured and shipped to the consumer by a third party. Then we have crowdfunding, collection of money from the consumer in advance for being available in order to raise a startup capital which is necessary to bring to the market. Then we have subscription, automatic recurring purchase of a product or services on regular basis until the subscriber choose to cancel. Now an example of e-commerce. This is an example like customer orders online, entering credential or credit or debit card on secure website and order processed and stored to warehouse. Then prepare the shipment, then order. What happens? They prepare the shipment and that order is delivered to customer's address. Customer sign the product when packed, delivered. So then we personalize the shopping cart before purchase. Whenever we are looking for smartphone, laptop or any other product, we should research the information about it on the internet before purchasing. So on the web, we will find reviews of the products which are quite useful. The web has plenty of places that offer in-depth, unbiased reviews by professionals. So who really put products to the test and tells us the advantages and disadvantages. So we usually add the items that we want to purchase to a virtual shopping carts that keeps track. Like most websites have a view cart linked that enables us to view the items to our shopping cart. The cart usually has a link to proceed to checkout that takes us to that web page where we will provide information about address and the page. Next is franchise business. So e-commerce has become effective means of companies to engage with customer, and it has also broadened their reach. So as the world become increasingly digital, more and more companies are exploring the possibilities of the online market, and for franchise business, e-commerce present a unique opportunity to expand their brand and reach new audiences. Next, we have franchise agreement. So it is a legal contract between franchisor or franchise that outlines the terms and condition of the franchise relationship. So a franchisor grants for the franchisee the right to use their brand name, business model, and other intellectual property in exchange of payment of fees, adherence of certain standards. Franchise agreement typically include branding operations, training, and support provision. It is an obligation for both, for franchisor also and franchisee also. Next is benefits of e-commerce for franchisee business. It offers so many advantages. Like we have cost effective. It is often more cost effective than traditional retail operation. With e-commerce, there is no need for expensive real estate, utilities or staffing. It is a saving. Then we have enhanced customer experience. It allows us to provide a seamless customer experience from browsing to purchase. Then increased reach means to reach a wider audience than traditional brick and mortar store by leveraging online marketplaces. Then we have better data insights. From this, it provides franchisee with valuable data insights that can be used to optimize operation, through which we can optimize our operations and market efforts. We analyze online sales data and identify trends, track customer behavior, and adjust their strategies accordingly. So it maximizes online presence and drives sales by leveraging online marketplaces, developing strong e-commerce website using social media to this advantage, and investing in digital marketing. Next is security concern. Let's talk about the security concern. So shopping online is very secure and reliable when we purchase goods or services online. Vendor wants to provide accurate payment information. So by typing our credit or debit card, its expiration date and security code along with our name and address. So it is vital that the sensitive data does not fall into wrong hands, and therefore we need to secure that we are giving the payment information only to a secure site. Now security, we cannot 100% guaranteed making the payment through debit card or credit card. Then we have availability. It is hard to gain the trust of the customer without having any kind of direct conservation. Then we have privacy. It is any e-commerce website or app. It is very easy to get customers' personal information like date of birth, Aadhaar card, debit card detail, and one must be careful only when he or she is going to a website whether it is trustworthy or not. Now competitive environment. When it comes to selling online, merchants who are used in selling in a store may realize that market is quite competitive and they may earn less profit. Extendability, difficult to choose an e-business that runs over a long time due to constant changes in the environment. So one must choose a business with long-term vision. That has long-term vision, that type of business you must choose, right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we meet at the next class. Thank you.